Explorers of the unknown, welcome back. Let's expand our horizons with today's question.
Remove the bottom rack to access your dishwasher's filter. Twist and lift it out, then rinse under warm water while scrubbing with a soft brush to clear food debris and grease. Replace the filter securely. Run a quick rinse cycle, and your dishwasher will drain smoothly again.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.